Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a focused effects workspace. Open Roblox Studio, sign in, then create an effects folder inside Workspace to keep assets tidy. Once done, add a small invisible part to act as an emitter anchor and enable Explorer and Properties so you can edit attributes directly. Make sure core plugins like Particle Editor or Rote-based tools are available. They speed iteration. This first setup saves time later because organized assets and active plugins let you test changes instantly without hunting through the place. Now you build the visual. Insert a particle emitter into your anchor part and tweak rate and lifetime to control density and duration. Adjust size and speed ranges to vary particle behavior and swap in a texture to change shape. Using color sequence and transparency sequence creates rich gradients and natural fade-outs. For directional control, attach an attachment or use a mesh part. For scripted bursts, set emission direction, then use emit, N from a local script. Make incremental changes and preview frequently so values blend instead of clashing. Finish by optimizing and packaging. Reduce rate or size with distance-based checks so effects don't cost FPS, and switch off expensive textures on low-end devices. Once stable, group parts and scripts into a reusable model or module script so you can spawn the effect reliably. Test both server and client side to verify replication and visual fidelity, then profile performance. If something goes wrong, like particles not showing, check emitter. Enabled, anchor visibility, and texture asset permissions first. Those three issues cause most silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.